Are you struggling to downsample your data frame in Pandas and feeling stuck? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle a common challenge: how to resample a data frame using a fixed number of rows instead of a time duration. I totally get it. Many users find themselves in a similar situation, trying to aggregate data but feeling limited by time-based resampling. It can be frustrating when you just want to simplify your data without the constraints of time intervals. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how can I resample my data frame such that 3 rows are aggregated into one? If this sounds like your situation, stick around as we explore the solution together. So, why is this a common issue? The default behavior of Pandas' resample method is to work with time intervals, which can be limiting when you're dealing with row-based data. Understanding this will help us find a workaround. And don't go anywhere. At the end of this video, I will share a quick tip that will make your data manipulation tasks even easier. To aggregate a fixed number of rows in a Pandas data frame, the user can use the group-by method along with the NumPy function. First, they need to import the necessary libraries. Next, the user should create a new column that indicates the group each row belongs to. This can be done by using integer division to divide the row index by the desired number of rows to aggregate. Now, the user can use the group-by method on the new group column and apply an aggregation function, such as mean, to combine the rows. Finally, the user can review the aggregated data frame to ensure the data has been combined as expected. This will show the results of the aggregation. Fun fact: did you know that Pandas was named after the term panel data? It's a great tool for data manipulation, and we're just scratching the surface today. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by a user involves using the rolling function in Pandas. They suggest applying a rolling mean over a specified number of rows, for example, 3 rows, and then selecting every third value. Additionally, they propose using NumPy's interp function for interpolation. This method adjusts each column individually based on monotonically increasing indices, but be cautious as it alters the original data. Here's a pro tip: always check your data frame's shape before and after resampling. This will help you understand how your data is changing and ensure you're getting the results you expect. And there you have it. You can now resample your data frame using a fixed number of rows. Remember, experimenting with different methods can lead to better data insights. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.